Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on your iPhone. Let's dive right into setting up your mobile coding environment. Learning to code on the go has never been easier, offering incredible flexibility for your schedule. We will explore how your iPhone can become a powerful tool for mastering Python, allowing you to practice and develop skills anytime, anywhere. Get ready to transform your device into a portable coding studio. To begin your Python journey, you'll need a few key applications. pythonista 3 is a fantastic choice, offering a full-featured environment for writing and running code. Another excellent option is Pydo, which provides a powerful interpreter and an integrated development environment. For those interested in data science or interactive coding, Carnets allows you to work with Jupyter notebooks right on your iPhone. These apps make mobile coding incredibly accessible and efficient. Now, let's write your very first Python program. Open one of the apps we just discussed, like pythonista 3 or Pydo. Create a new file, and then type in the classic print open parenthesis, quote, hello world, quote, close parenthesis statement. This simple line of code is your gateway to programming. Once typed, hit the run button, and you will see hello world displayed on your iPhone screen, confirming your code works perfectly. To truly master Python, consistent practice is absolutely crucial. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to coding exercises, reinforcing what you've learned. Explore the vast array of online tutorials and official Python documentation to expand your knowledge base. Don't hesitate to join online coding communities. They offer invaluable support, allowing you to ask questions, share your projects, and learn from others. Keep coding, and your skills will grow exponentially.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.